In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up AdsPower browser for Proxy. To get started, open the AdsPower application and log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, head to the top left corner and click the blue New Profile button. If you already have a profile created and just want to update it, you can click Edit on that existing profile instead. From here, enter a profile name that helps you identify it later, then choose the browser engine you want to use, either Sun Browser or Flower Browser. Both can work, so just select the one that fits your setup. Next, scroll down until you reach the Proxy section. By default, this is usually set to No Proxy, so switch that setting to Custom. After that, open the Proxy Type dropdown and choose the correct protocol for your proxy, such as HTTP, HTTPS, or SOCKS 5. Now, fill in the proxy details carefully. Enter the proxy host, which is the IP address or domain provided by your proxy service, then add the port number. If your proxy requires authentication, also enter the username and password in the corresponding fields. Accuracy matters here, so it's a good idea to double-check everything before moving on. Once your credentials are entered, click the blue Check Proxy button right below those fields. Give AdsPower a moment to test the connection. If the result shows passed in green, that means the proxy is working correctly, and you'll also see details like the outbound IP and location information. If it shows failed in red, review your entries for typos, confirm the format is correct, and make sure nothing like a firewall is blocking the connection. After that, scroll down to Advanced Settings. Turn on Based on IP for both time zone and language so the browser fingerprint better matches the proxy location. Then set WebRTC to forward or replace to help prevent your local IP from leaking. Finally, click OK in the bottom right corner to save the profile, and your proxy setup will be ready to use.